I have to show you the beauty of these highlands of Kisii. Literally, I'm in Nyaribari Chache. Nyanturago is this region now. You know, this is my area, this is my area, this is my area. This is my area where you see a red roofed house down there. That the tarmac road is in some valley there. So I had to show you this, guys. I'm like climbing this steepy hill, but I have to show you. You can see we have whatever, how do we call this? Cocoa. Yeah, and it is a green highland, you know. And this is some part. This is where this place Nyaribari Chache, this is where sugarcane is grown. As you can see, this is sugarcane here. The sweet one, not sugarcane. This one here. This one. Not sugarcane for manufacturing sugar, you know, but sugarcane to eat, you know. So I love this hometown of mine. But I've never, since I was born, I've never been to this hilly place here. So today I decided that I must, you know, escalate it. I must climb it. I must reach at this highest point up here. You know, there are many high points. You can see hilly places, you know, even to the far over place. You know, this is Gusii Highland, Kisii Highlands, the Canaan of Africa. I know, not even central Kenya, not even where Mount Kenya is, can be as sweet as this mighty land. You see the tarmac road down there. You know, so this is my area. You know, I'm a son of the soil here. This is tea leaves. You can see tea leaves here. These are tea leaves which make the whatever that we put in tea known as tea leaves. Until later, guys. I love you, folks.